This video will describe the Add Word and the Add Words buttons in structural adjustment rules. Let's build an input structure. Okay, so we have a noun phrase with a noun, a verb phrase with a verb, and another noun phrase with a noun. The Add Word button has two functions. In the input structure, this button lets you add a concept to another concept that is already in the input structure. In the output structure, this button lets you set up a table of target words that will be used to translate each concept. Let's add a word to this noun. Suppose we choose a word. I'm just going to choose the word Abdon. We can make it an example. If we check this box, example only, then when we come here, then Abdon will be in parentheses. And the pop-up says example only. So now, sometimes that's helpful. If you have a big, long input structure with many constituents and you want to know examples of what this might be, then you can put words in examples. You can also use this. If you don't want it to be an example, I'll just choose another word, Aaron. So now this noun has to be the word Aaron. No other noun will be accepted. But we can say Add Word, click here again, and choose another word, Abel. Now we see ... That means there are multiple concepts here, and when we rest our cursor, both Aaron and Abel appear in the pop-up. So now this noun, when this rule is being executed, if the software finds either Aaron or Abel, then that will satisfy this constituent in the rule. And we can add dozens of words if we'd like. Abigail, etc. If you really want many concepts at a particular position in the rule, then it's faster to use Add Words. So if we click on this, and then click here, okay, here are the words that have already been selected. Aaron, Abel, and Abigail. These are the selected concepts. The table up here initially has the nouns that haven't been selected yet from the current verse. Suppose we want to choose Earth and God. We click on them and then select the down arrow button, the select button, and now Earth and God are down here also. And now if we come here, we see that Earth and God also are acceptable nouns in this input structure. We can click more if we want more than just the nouns from the current verse. We can say entire ontology. And let's scroll down. Let's say the names for God. So God Almighty, God Eternal, God Most High. We can click the down arrow buttons, the select button. And now those names are down here as well. And now if we rest our cursor, so now we see there are multiple nouns that will satisfy this position. So that's the Add Words button. It lets you add multiple concepts to a concept that is already in the input structure. This button can't be used in the output structure. The Add Words button, it has a completely different function in the output structure, and we'll discuss that in a future video.